Hello guys, Track Attack here. Thanks for joining me today. Well guys, today is a very special day for me. I received a gift from a very good friend of mine, a Slingshot Sniper, Safar. And I knew it was coming. I was very excited. I couldn't wait. And now that it's here, I wanted you guys to be part of the excitement as much as it is for me. So I am uh, I am thrilled to open this box. So guys, stay tuned and see what's all is in there. All right, guys. Well, here it is. Like I say, I received it the other day, and I was very excited. So let's see. Let's open it and see what's all in there. So I'm very excited. By the way, I want to mention that this one is the very first Turan that he made for anybody. Oh, this design. So it is very special. I'm very thankful to receive such a wonderful gift like this. I am thrilled and honored just to be able to hold this slingshot. Wow, it's really cool. And Slingshot Sniper bands. I first of all, I didn't even know he had a line of bands, and I believe this is a .6 just by looking at it. And let's open it because it is really cool to have bands from Slingshot Sniper. Wow, it's pretty thick. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh well, I'll roll it back up. Wow, it's strong and it's a lot. I am sorry I dropped it. I'm gonna have to roll this because I'm not just gonna leave it like that. Beautiful. Wow, that's strong. I'm really going to like this bands, I can tell. These are awesome. I'm going to try this. I think there may be already some on that slingshot. So there we go. Oh, I bent. I'm so excited to open the slingshot. I'm bending the cardboard. All right, here it is, guys. Let's remove this. And here it is. Wow, I'm very excited. I feel like a kid in a candy store. Oh, wow. This is a truly masterpiece. What a beauty. Not a single flaw. It's like glass. And really smooth. I know he has taken hours and hours by hand just polishing it. And let me tell you, I rub my fingers here and it's so smooth. Especially here, you can't even feel where, the metal connects with this plastic. It's smooth. And the back, if y'all can tell, it's just like a mirror finish. Wow, it is so beautiful. I really like this. And the color, how it shines, man, it's just, I'm just very excited to shoot this slingshot. Wow. Guys, I highly recommend you to take a look at this design because this is not just beautiful, it's just a great design. The aiming, when you aim with the Turan, a lot of things changes, and I'm able to become much more accurate with the Turan with any other slingshot that I have ever held in my hands. It's just to me, wow. Guys, I don't know what else to say. I am lost in words. This is absolutely beautiful. It is the best, slingshot that I own now with the Slingshot Sniper collection that I have. This is by far the best of it. Wow. Well, guys, I'm not gonna be doing any shooting in this video, but I am gonna show you all the collection of Turans that I have. So guys, stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.